Right, okay, so this is the left-hand side bracket that I'm picking up with the left written on it and then push written on the end. This is the plane that it needs to be in. So you have push written top to bottom, just about as you can see there. This bracket at the back with this solid bracket area goes in on the left-hand side of the machine underneath the middle of the rack. So we're going to offer it up underneath the middle of the rack and we're going to push it against the wall like so. As we slide it back, you should see, if I can come in here, that it just about fits around the upright bar at the back. What you'll also see just here, if I can move this out of the way, is that the horizontal bracket also lines up with the horizontal groove. Now as I push it backwards, you'll see there's a spring in there, like so, and it just springs in and out. So just hook it gently over the back bracket like so, and then you can look at the front. Now the front, as you can see, isn't quite lining up at the moment, but you'll also see that we've got a groove which lines up with the shelf, and we've got a vertical space too. So the first thing we do is we push it over the horizontal on the spring. So there you go, so that's now springing in and out on that back bracket that we've already done. Once you've pushed it over this horizontal, you then just move it further towards the wall on the left and it clips behind the upright. Let go and it simply slides forward and is now clipped on around the front here over that bracket, and there's the back showing you how it's clipped on at the back. So the reverse of that, if I take it off again, is I press the push and you'll see this front bracket moves backwards and allows me to then bring it away from the wall like so. It's still hooked over this bar at the moment until I release the push like so. So now it's completely free at the front. The back is still just about clipped on, and you can see it's still clipped on because it's still around that back upright. Well, all I do here now is simply pull it forward and it falls off. So once again, this plate goes flat against the wall, slides backwards, goes around the upright. The slot has to line up with one of the shelves, and it then just pushes backwards like so. And as I said, it catches on the spring just about there. You can see it springing in and out. The front, you then line the horizontal part up with the metal shelf and push it over the shelf, and then you move it back into the wall to hook around and then let go and it hooks in behind. Exactly the same on the other side, obviously just with the orientation the other way around.